first time we hear our first album with him, we say yes. Now Virginia. You know who we're talking about? Okay. Who I present to you? Glenn Washington.
Blessed be his holy name. He's worthy to be praised. Jah is worthy to be praised. Yeah. Tonight's the Jah Rastafari. Oh na 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 na. Hey. Different style. If the shepherd's asleep, my son, the sheep will have gone astray. Everyone's taken to their own way. And I can see the wolves and the leopards encamped around since yesterday. But you know that the wicked don't play. From the pages of old, I see them always want to take control. Envious greed I see in their eyes. But the Father of love protects me. I'm safely lying in his fold. Singing his praise when the good times roll. I'm walking on the right road. And only Jah can help me, take me home alone. Only Jah love can set me free. Walking on the right road. The blessings of Jah is all over me. Open my eyes that I can see. When you see there's no way, I pray. And all my troubles are taken away. Let them be a full of things that I say. We were meant to be free, my brothers, in spite of this mental slavery. Upon which our love and his mercy has me, walking on the right road. And only Jah can help me, take me over. Take it away! Can't let you go. No, 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 baby. We will be strangers in the night. I just can't let you go. No, 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 not my baby. What it is? We will be strangers in the night. Getting to know each other, who was right. Sporting on the moonlight, hoping that we can get outside. And when we get to know sitting next home, I know you feeling oh so small. Never thought they would look me in the eyes. I lift my head and wanna be surprised. But when you know that you shall not take from me. I don't see the eyes, it's always meant to be. Only I can set me free.
This one is highly blessed. This one is harder than the rest. BETV. I saw them stay, I saw them turn. Them are number one. This is Glenn Washington. Keep it locked. Don't touch the dial. You hear me? Blessed love.